Same price bracket, same Pro promise. Completely different approach. If you edit, code, design or game, one of these will waste your time and the other will supercharge it. Let's find out which. Context: Apple's M4 Pro Max options in 14/16-inch MacBook Pro. Hardware accelerated ray tracing, AV1 decode, ProRes engines. Dell XPS 14/16 with Intel Core Ultra CPUs up to RTX 4060 OLED options. Same budget, 2 Pro laptops, one wins your workflow. Let's test the M4 MacBook Pro versus the Dell XPS 2025. MacBook, robust unibody, MagSafe, 3xTB4, HDMI, SD headphone, excellent trackpad keyboard feel. XPS 16 premium chassis, TB4 USB-C focus, full-size SD on many configs, optional OLED, lighter GPU, up to RTX 4060, Dell. On-screen text, build plus I/O priorities differ. MacBook Mini LED, Liquid Retina XDR class, high sustained brightness, HDR, mastering friendly. XPS 16 16.3 4K OLED option with deep blacks and touch, superb contrast but potential ABL in bright UIs. Dell page confirms OLED option. Dell. Call out color accuracy, HDR workloads, touch versus no touch. MacBook M4 Pro Chopper Max, strong CPU efficiency, hardware ProRes, encode or decode, AV1 decode, ray tracing support, great for Final Cut and Logic. Apple. XPS 16 Core Ultra 9 185H Plus RTX 4060 shines in Adobe Resolve GPU effects and AI, upscaling, CUDA, OptiX advantages, Dell. On-screen graph idea, export time, estimates, explain they vary by config and project. MacBook Pro M4 praised as a top programming laptop in 2025 Roundup's performance plus battery plus Unix tooling. Tech Radar. XPS, best if you need Windows First stacks, WSL2 or NVIDIA accelerated ML locally. MacBook Pro M4 14-inch reviews report exceptional endurance, often quoted near in 20 hours, light workloads. IT Pro. XPS 16 OLED Plus RTX great for Windows class but heavy GPU drains faster. Thermals managed but fans audible under load. Dell specs page confirms GPU class. Dell. Lower third, Mobility Edge, Mac, Peak, GPU Edge, XPS, RTX. Mac 16-core neural engine on-device workflows, increasingly integrated, great for media transcription and effects in Apple Pro apps. Apple. XPS Windows on device, NPU plus RTX Tensor cores enable a wider range of AI tools, Adobe Sensei Stable Diffusion, Resolve Studio Effects. Dell on-screen AI on macOS versus Windows plus RTX. Mac Casual Apple Arcade, titles fine, ray tracing support growing, but library smaller, multi-display support and HDR are strong on Mac OS. XPS discrete RTX makes modern 8AA gaming and VR feasible. G-Sync VRR display options depend on the panel. Typical M4 Pro Max pricing versus XPS 16 OLED plus RTX 4060 pricing tiers. Value depends on whether you leverage ProRes engines, Mac or CUDA XPS. Use Dell starting price reference context. Dell on-screen table, what you get at similar budgets. Video editors in Final Cut, ProRes, mobile creators and battery first MacBook Pro M4 Pro Max. Inaputtali so. Adobe Resolve heavy GPU effects, 3D AI inference, gaming, XPS 16 with RTX. Dell Programmers, if you prefer macOS Unix and top battery, Mac, Windows First Stacks, or Dell XPS, Tech Radar. Both are excellent, but for different strengths. Pick the one that accelerates your real workload, not just the spec sheet. Links and specs below. Subscribe for more no-nonsense gear breakdowns. If this helped, like and subscribe for more creative-focused laptop guides. Comment your workflow, video, code, or design, and I'll recommend a config. Which laptop do you think wins in 2025, the MacBook Pro M4 or the Dell XPS 16? In this video, I compare design, display, performance, battery life, AI features, and value to help you decide. Comment your workflow, editing, coding, design, or gaming, and I'll reply with which model fits best.